Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm super excited to show you a new Scarleton handbag that came out on Amazon, and I had to have it. Once I saw it, I was in love and I got two of them, so I wanted to share them with you. If you hear that in the background, those are my two chihuahuas. I'm so sorry. They're like roughhousing in the other room, and it's always when I start filming, they start like fighting each other for attention. So I apologize about that if you hear that. All right, so I got two handbags from Scarleton and I'm absolutely in love. You guys have seen I've done a couple Scarleton videos before here on Amazon. I do a lot here on Amazon. Here on YouTube, I do a lot of Amazon handbag reviews. So Scarleton has been a brand that I've been really impressed with. The price point is great, the quality is great, and I just am overall like in love with the brand. So I got two new handbags. Okay, so here are the two handbags. I'm in love. So I got this blue one, and this is the one I opened first, and I just love it. I've been using it. I think it looks so chic. And then I got the black one as well. Now they do have two different black ones. There's a black, which is, it looks like a little bit more of a satin finish, and then there's black A. This is the black A, which I believe is a little bit more of a matte finish. I really like the material that's used, and it's really soft leather style. So I don't know if the price is going to be raised, but currently the price is $44.99 for these bags. They also come in a white and a red. Now, I'm not really a big red fan. I don't wear a lot of red, so the red I didn't really care about, but the white, I'm really interested in the white, so I might get the white next. But here's the bags. I really just love them. Now, they remind me, I feel like they have something in them, and I think it's the shape of the bag, reminds me of the Balenciaga City bag, which I believe has now since been retired. So it's kind of, you can tell it's a little bit similar in the shape, but otherwise, this is definitely a little different than what the bag looks like. Immediately when I bought these, I got on Pinterest, and I love Pinterest, and created a whole album of bags that looked like this style, and of like the celebrities in the 2000s with this style handbag, just because like I knew I love this bag. But I opened it, and let me just stick to one bag right now. I'll stick to the blue one. So the blue one is the one I opened first. Now, what I really was impressed with is I was so impressed with this faux leather. I just think it's so pretty. The color, stunning. It's gorgeous, but it's so flexible. It's soft, but yet durable. I've been using this. I have no scratches on it. It's just really like, it's comfortable for a bag. So it does have the shoulder strap, and it has this right here, which I think makes it a little nicer for your shoulder. Sometimes if you weigh down your bags, they can kind of hurt your shoulder. I feel like this kind of helps a lot, but I don't think you even need it. Like, I love this, but the bag is very light. And sometimes you get a bag like this, like cute bags like this are super heavy, and then you add all your stuff in it, it gets even heavier. So I really love the weight of this bag. My chihuahuas are running around like crazy. I tell you, they sleep all day. They sleep all day. They hear my voice and they run around the house like crazy chihuahuas. Okay, so this, it's just gorgeous. So what I love about it is the rectangular shape is cute. It holds a lot, and it is a very flexible bag. So I have it stuffed. So it actually zips, and I love the zip. You guys know I love a zip. So I stuff it with all the packaging it comes with. But come on, let's take it out so I can actually show you the bag. So I've been asked this before, what bags, like how you know, like if they have their name brand on them. So this is a Scarleton bag. It has Scarleton right there. The material, I would say, is probably some of the best material I've seen on Amazon. It's simple, but you can tell it's a little bit better quality. And the inside it has the zip. And then here it has the traditional, like where you put your phone or keys or pens. I love that. It is quite a big bag on the inside. I feel like it holds a lot. And when I say this bag's flexible, it's super flexible. If you're taking this somewhere, you can like put it in your luggage or suitcase. You can just fold it. Like, it's so lightweight and so easy to take with you, but I think it gives a cute like boho vibe. And if you look at like celebrities in the early 2000s, these style bags were really popular, and it was very like cute boho outfits. effortless, you know, just the cutest outfits. So it's very comfortable to wear. I'm not trying to stay on my tippy toes. It's very comfortable to wear as a crossbody. It just like hugs your body because it's so flexible. And I'm really impressed. So what I did when I first looked at this bag is I went ahead and looked at like all the stitching, and I was in awe of this bag. I just think it's like, it's done so nicely. So I went ahead and looked at all the stitching. I kind of just looked at like all the little, I think these are called like grommets. I don't know if that's even the right term. I could be wrong. I'm sorry if I am. Feel free to correct me. And I looked at all the little details, the zippers, the insides, everything. And I must say, I'm so impressed with this bag. Everything on this bag is done beautifully. I feel like this is like a $2,500 bag. And that's how I wear it too. Like I forget where I went the other day and I was like wearing it, and I just like no makeup on, super chill day for me. And I was running errands. I think I was at Target and someone stopped me about my bag. And it was so funny because I was just like, yes, yes. Like this is yes, it's a designer Scarleton on Amazon. This bag is so nice. Yes, I know. Thank you. No, I was like, oh, thank you. But, and I was telling them, I was like, you have to go on Amazon and get this bag. But people think this is like a really expensive bag. And I agree. It looks so luxurious. It looks so nice. It's so well done. So well done. Especially for being under $50. It's insane. The details, I love this. This is just so pretty. I'm absolutely in love. And now I don't even think I own anything in this color besides a jean jacket. Like nothing is, besides a jean jacket, I own nothing in this color. But it's such a beautiful color. I love it. I'm super impressed with it. Here's the bottom. It's just so like effortlessly chic. That's exactly it. Effortlessly chic. But I think it's so cute and it just looks expensive. So I really love it. But like I said, the quality, the lining on the interior is really nice quality. The bag feels like, you feel like sturdy. Like I'm not gonna scratch it. It's so durable, yet flexible. This is by far, I'm gonna say this, don't get mad at me, but this is, no one's feelings get hurt, but this is by far my favorite handbag I've ever purchased on Amazon. 100%. I just feel so chic and put together, and it's just so like such an effortlessly chic bag. That's all I can see. Like it looks really nice. It looks expensive. When I wear this, I rock this, and I love the color. So obviously I had to get it in black as well. So that's why I got this one. So here is this one. So it's stuffed, which is why it kind of looks a little funny. Again, I stuff it with I always save these from my Amazon packaging. I save them. They're in most of my bags. I know there's brands that sell like the purse pillow, but you really don't need it. I just put like a decent amount in. And this bag, when I got it, because I didn't open it for like a week, I just didn't get to it, and I was wearing that one. So by the time I opened it, it was a little like bent in the packaging. Totally fine. You just need to put some like fluffing in there, some of these airbags in, and it totally grabs the shape and gets great again. So yeah, but I had to have it in black. I love this. Like I'm such a celebrity with these bags. I love them. I put my sunglasses on and I'm just like, yes, yes, I'm so fashionable. I'm so chic. Like I'm not even kidding you. This makes me that bitch. But look how cute this is. I kid you not, I wouldn't be surprised if celebrities start like I wouldn't be surprised if we saw like Jaclyn Hill or someone with these Scarleton bags. I just think they're so cute and they just look so nice and sophisticated. And I'm gonna say one thing. Okay, Scarleton, if you're watching Scarleton, I would like this bag in, I think like a neon yellow. I think a neon yellow for the summer. But not like mustard yellow, like maybe neon yellow would be fun. And like a pink mauve. A pink mauve I think would be absolutely beautiful in this bag. I was thinking about the other day, I was like, I just want this bag in every color. And I'm like crazy. You guys know I have a ton of handbags. Every time I get a new handbag, my friends are like, you still buy handbags? you have so many handbags. Why do you still buy handbags? Because I love handbags. And so now I'm already talking, I was like telling my fiance, and he thinks I'm crazy, but I was like, I want a shelf. And obviously I have shelves. I have shelves, handbags, my whole top shelf. I don't know if you guys can see. Let's see if I can bend this. All handbags. And then like if you look here, I don't know if you can tell, these are like a lot of my tote bags. I want my own shelf for Scarleton handbags. Like, and I want these in like every color they come out with, because you know they have to come out with more. You guys have to. Scarleton, love the bag. But like I want this bag in like every color. I just think it's so cute. The quality is amazing. All hell breaks loose. She's so excited, but she's sliding around the floor because her legs can't keep up. You come here. Oh, well, Megan, be careful.
Yeah, dude, she's crazy.
Sit, Megan, sit. Sit.
Why is she doing it? Why is she so crazy?
I don't know. I gave her her thing. Okay, so I'm in the middle of filming. Vinny, you want to come say hi to the camera? Why not? Vinny, I'm in the middle of filming.
Yeah, too much. I know you can't play it because it's monetized.
Okay, let me finish filming. Okay. So honestly, I love that handbag in like every color. I want it in mauve. I want it in like, I feel like a neon yellow. But I've always wanted like a neon yellow bag. So I feel like a neon yellow would be good. I of course want to get the white. I was trying to think of any other colors. So if you guys think of colors they should make that bag in, you should put it down below. But I think that that's like the best bag I've had on Amazon so far. I think it's amazing. And now I'm like, I want to get a shelf and like do like all my Scarleton bags lined up, because you guys know I love Scarleton. If you guys have not seen my videos, I do a lot of Amazon hauls. I do a lot of Amazon reviews. And so I've done already 2 videos on Scarleton. I got this handbag. If you didn't see this, I was in Mexico when I opened this, and it was such a fun bag to open, and I couldn't wait to use it on vacation. And then I think I got this one maybe like last summer, which is like a cute nude. So this was my first Scarleton handbag, and I just loved it. I think they're so cute and structured. But you guys, I'll link the videos down below, and I'll link the actual bag. But let me know if you're gonna get one, because honestly, I think they're just so chic, and you need to get them. And if you don't get them, that's fine. Then I'm gonna have a cuter bag than you. So that's all I'm going to say. But I already want, like, I want the white. I love them all. Okay, so here it is. I hope you guys like this video. If you are interested in seeing more Amazon handbag reviews, go ahead and just subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know down below. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching, and I appreciate you guys so much. Have a wonderful day.